Hi, I'm James and I manage the Noteable service. In this short video, I'll be showing you how to both generate and release an assignment using the Noteable service as an instructor. First, you need to open your assignment by clicking on the Form Grader tab. Then you can click on Generate. You will then get this output window. And you will see that now you have the ability to both preview your assignment and release it. If we click on Release, we will get another window. And if we go back to the Student tab, we can check to see that the assignment has been released to us. Thank you. Get more support on how to use Noteable by visiting our documentation page on our website.